Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself Seema Kohli, teacher of MMD Oswal Public School. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 5 of class 8th, our national symbol. Every independent country of the world has some national symbol of its own. These symbols inspire and untie its people. These symbols play a vital role in motivating the people of the nation to work together. Students, इस लेसन में हमारे जो राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक है उनके बारे में बताया गया है, तो उसके बारे में आपको मैं क्लियर करती हूँ, ध्यान से सुनेंगे आप. Our country has 7 national symbols. These are our national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national animal, national bird and national flower. Come on the first point, our national flag. Our national flag is called the Tiranga or tricolor. It has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. In the middle of white part there is navy blue wheel with 24 spokes. We call it the Ashok Chakra. The saffron color of our flag stands for courage and sacrifice. Next one is our national emblem. National emblem is a replica of the capital of Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. It was at Sarnath that Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon after his enlightenment. The top has 4 lions sitting back to back with their face in different directions. Our national emblem is also the seal of Government of India. We have it on all our currency, stamp papers, revenue stamp, official documents and all official publication. It was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. Next one is our national anthem. Our national anthem, as you all know, our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. It is written and composed by Ravindranath Tagore. He was a great poet. He was awarded with Nobel Prize for his literature in 1913. Our national anthem is sung on all ceremonial occasion. We should stand at attention when the national anthem is being played or sung. Next one is our national song. You know what is our national song? Our national song is Vande Mataram. Was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. During the struggle for India's freedom, this song was a source of great inspiration for our great freedom fighter. Next one, our national animal. Our national animal is tiger. The animal is symbol of grace, strength, fearlessness. In November 1972, the tiger has been adopted as our national animal. Next one is our national bird. Our national bird is peacock. I hope you all know peacock is our national bird. In 1963, it has been adopted as our national bird. Next one, our national flower. Last one, our national flower. Our national flower is the lotus. The grace and beauty of this flower is unmatched. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये सारे हमारे जो हैं वो हमारे राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह हैं जिनके बारे में मैंने बता दिया. एक बार मैं फिर आपको क्लियर कर देती हूँ. हमारा राष्ट्रीय झंडा जिसे हम तिरंगा भी कहते हैं. दूसरा हमारा राष्ट्रीय एम्बलम जो कि अशोका के पिलर सारनाथ में है, उनसे लिया गया है. आगे नेशनल एंथम जन गण मन जो कि रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी द्वारा लिखा गया है. आगे है नेशनल सॉन्ग वंदे मातरम जो कि बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी ने लिखा है. नेशनल एनिमल है हमारा चीता. 1972 में इसे एज अ नेशनल एनिमल ऑप्ट किया गया था. आगे है नेशनल बर्ड, वो पीकॉक है. 1963 में इसे हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी घोषित किया गया. और नेशनल फ्लावर लोटस, कमल का फूल. और ये जो फूल है वो सुंदरता और सौंदर्य का मिश्रण है. इसका कोई मैच नहीं है, इसकी सुंदरता का कोई मैच नहीं है. ऑल दीज नेशनल सिम्बल्स प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन आवर लाइफ. तो ये हमारे महत्वपूर्ण जो राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह थे उनके बारे में था जो मैंने आपको बता दिया. इट्स ऑल.